Welcome to Legality, an eSign, eStamp and document workflow platform. In this video, we will show you how to create a workflow with Legality. Workflows help you send multiple documents for e-signing within seconds by uploading an Excel file with the signer's details. This is especially useful if you do not want to do an API integration with Legality, but still want to use Legality's solution for e-signing large number of documents. All you need is an existing template in the Legality dashboard and a spreadsheet software like Excel. Sign into Legality. From the workstations, click on Templates and copy the template ID for which you are creating the workflow. Then go to Workflow and click on the New Profile button. Enter the desired profile name for the workflow. Here I am entering Trainee Form. Paste or enter the template ID you had copied earlier. Enter the number of days after which you want the invitation to expire. By default, this is 10 days. If you have purchased stamp papers in your Legality account and want to use it in the workflow, enter the relevant stamp series number to ensure a stamp paper is affixed to each document. You may enter a custom message which will appear to all signers who receive the invite. Toggle these options on or off as per your document flow. Then, configure the signer options as per your requirement. Please ensure that the notifications for each signer are turned on. This can be replicated for as many signers as you want. Click on Save to save your inputs and then click on Validate. This verifies if the entered parameter exists in your dashboard. Congratulations, your workflow has been created. Now from the top right, click on Download Template and open the template in a spreadsheet software like Excel. Enter the value against each of the correct fields and add signer details such as their name, email ID or phone number. Save the workflow and go back to your workflow dashboard. Identify the workflow you have just created and from the drop-down menu, select Upload. Upload the Excel workflow sheet and click on Upload. All configured invites will be sent out to signers at the same time.